Actually, this is not the type of hair I'm telling you to buy it.
The
It's
ladies
not this
always want
type
the
of hair,
best
not
from
this type of hair.
me. They will always want the best quality from me. Actually, what I just want to tell you that not everyone will offer this type of quality hair because most of the time you will see me export a lot of very high quality hair to America and to Europe. I export to a very high class hair salons and to a lot of celebrities and stylists. The type of hair I'm exporting every day. For example, like this one. But this one, I don't suggest you. I don't suggest you buy this type of hair. I don't suggest you to buy this type of hair because this type of hair, the customer will come back only after 3 years, 4 years after they take this hair. They will come back to you for very, very long time because I sell the hair for my brand and my name on internet. So I sell very high quality to them. No matter, it doesn't matter. So it's not a problem for me to wait like 2 years, 4 years after they use this hair. But if you are in the hair business, if you are the resellers, and if you want to resell the hair to the other hair salons and other hair shops or other hair boutiques in your local cities, I don't suggest you to buy this type of hair because you are going to wait for a long time. And for me, it's not a problem because I have a lot of customers. It's not only this type. I also teach people to buy another type of hair, also very good quality and full and last long time. This one, you see, it's also very good quality. You can restyle the hair, you can straighten the hair, you can color the hair, the bundles, and can last long time too, last more than 1 year. Of course, depends on how you use the hair. This one. And very bouncy. So if you are very professional hair resellers and if you keep watching my YouTube videos, you will know that and you will become more professional than the other hair sellers in the local city. Not everyone will buy this type of hair. No, don't buy this type of hair because you want to make money. You want to make your hair business move fast. Of course, you also want good quality hair and affordable price. The quality hair and the price they can match. It's not like that. Hair vendors give you very, very low price, but the quality also very low. No, that's not. I will not do that. I will just tell them it's reasonable price. Of course, my customer will tell me that my price very, very reasonable because they can feel the quality and they can sell the hair to other clients to gain the clients base bigger and bigger. So this is what I'm recommending you if you want to get your hair business move fast, this type. Remember, of course, it's good quality and always keep the quality consistent, very, very important. Because a lot of vendors, they would the first time give you good one. And later time, they change slowly, you don't know. I don't want to talk about that much, but you can feel the hair game on internet already if you are in the hair business for a long time. This one, yeah, I suggest you to buy this one if you want to get your hair business move fast. Just imagine in the world, what is the biggest proportion of the income people? Of course, the middle income people is the biggest proportion in the society, right? So this is what they buy a lot. This is what they buy a lot. This one. You see, it's also very full. It's also full. Soft. It's also very soft. So you compare this one. You compare this one. It does not make big difference. It does not make big difference. No big difference. The biggest difference is this customer will come back after 3 years, 4 years, even after 5 years, even after 5 years, because they just buy for personal use, no problem. They can pay higher price higher price. They are high income people. They are celebrities. They are willing to pay the price for this type of hair. Yes, this one. But most of the people you meet in the street are like this type of hair, and they like the quality well. They like the quality also, very, very good, and the price can match this one. So you need to listen to my advice, because I have helped a lot of hair salons to build up their hair business. So you keep watching and subscribe my YouTube videos, keep watching, and you have any questions, you let me know. I can answer you, I can help you, and I can help your hair business to go well. This, you just check. This is what they would need. For the middle income people, if you contact me, I will send you the price list. In the price list, I will explain this hair is for middle income people and this hair is for high income people. So you can have different choices depending on which client base you are targeting at. So it's very professional, detailed, helpful for your hair business. This one. You know, sometimes it's a little bit shame to see a lot of people at the beginning they contact me, ask price, and they disappear. And after 3 years, they don't even know they contacted me before, because sometimes I have the chatting history. They will say again, can you send me the price list? So after 3 years, after 4 years, if they are if they are doing good, why do they keep contacting you and keep to go to different vendors to ask for prices? Do you know why? People keep asking for prices, keep going to different hair vendors. Do you know why? It's always because the quality will change. The quality will change by vendors. So that's why they ask. And when they see the price, some people will say, hey, Hyman, why your price is a little bit high? They never think about that. They will just go to low price, and then after they will go to a lower price vendors, and after a certain time, they will move to another vendor, and after that they will move to another vendor, and another vendor. Keep searching on internet. You keep searching on internet, you can find all this type of information. So it's waste. They're wasting their life. They're wasting their time. So why not? You contact me. I can guide you very well. Why not? Keep watching my videos. Thank you.